Hi, my name is Anthea, and I've come to sing. Yeah, funny. Everybody does that. But I have the inspiration to start singing because I have a role model who has made it big in the industry, and that's Beyonce. I'd love to turn out like her, and I hope that you encourage me by voting for me because I have what it takes to go to New York and make it big. Thank you. I'm gonna sing Bruno Mars' Billionaire. I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see a little shining light. A different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. I'm a billionaire. Every time I close my eyes, I see a little shining light. A different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. I'm a billionaire.